Greetings again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here we're going to solve another algebraic exponential equation where we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 30, and we are given to find the value of x. Now please feel free to pause this video and see if you can do this one by yourself. If not, please stay with me as I show you how to find the solution of x. Also, please feel free to check out my playlist on how to solve other algebraic exponential equations. Alright, so let's begin. We said that 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 30. And we are trying to find the value of x. Now we could rewrite this expression 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x as 3 times the value of 2 to the power of x. And we said that that's equal to 30. And then now we go ahead and divide both sides by 3. So 3 will be cancelled out on the left, and on the right we would have 3 into 30, which gives us 10. So that means we have 2 to the power of x equals 10. Now from here on out, we'll be using our logarithm rule to find the value of x. So we start by taking the log of 2 to the power of x equals the log of 10. Now log 2 to the power of x can be rewritten using our logarithm rule, where we would have log a to the power of b is equal to b log a. So we're going to be using this logarithm rule to simplify our equation and hence solve for x. So using this rule, we would have x log 2 is equal to log 10. And then from here we divide both sides by log 2. So that means that log 2 will be cancelled out on the left. Which then means that we would have x is equal to log 10 over log 2. Now let's see if we can simplify this equation a bit further. We said that we have log 10 over log 2. We could rewrite this as log 10. We know that log 10 is actually 1. But we could rewrite that as log 2 times 5. And we have that over log 2. And now using our logarithm rule states that log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Now in using this rule, it means that we could rewrite our equation as log 2 plus log 5. And we could have log 2 over log 2, and we would have log 5 over log 2. So now we have log 2 over log 2, and log 2 over log 2 is just one whole. So that means that x is equal to 1 plus log 5 over log 2. This is our value for x, but we could simplify this a bit further. We could use this logarithm rule that states that log a over log b is equal to log base b of a. This now means that our final solution for x is that x is equal to 1 plus log base 2 of 5. So this is the value of x in this situation. Now let's go ahead and verify this solution of x. We said that x is equal to 1 plus log base 2 of 5. So we're just going to write that out, and then we're going to see how we can verify this solution. So we said that we have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x equals 30. And like before, we said that we could simplify this as 3 times the value of 2 to the power of x equals 30. Now, given the fact that we have the value of x, we could just rewrite this using what we have for x. So that means we would have 3 times 2 to the power of 1 plus log base 2 of 5 equals 30. From here we can actually use laws of indices to simplify this equation. So let's actually look at this one. So in this example, the laws of indices states that a to the power of m plus n is the same as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Now in using this law of indices, we rewrite our equation as 3 times 2 to the power of 1 times 2 to the power of log base 2 of 5 equals 30. And now from here we see where we have 2 to the power of log base 2 of 5. There is a logarithm rule that tells us what this is equal to. Our rule says if we have x to the power of log base x of y, our answer is y. So we'll be using this rule to simplify our equation. So that means we would have 3 times 2 times, and as we look here where we have the same base 2 to the power of log base 2 of 5, our answer would be 5. So we'd have 3 times 2 times 5 equals 30. And here we have 3 times 2. We know 3 times 2 gives us 6. And then we'd have 6 times 5 equals 30. And there we have it. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. And so our solution of x is now verified. X equals 1 plus log base 2 of 5. Thanks again for staying with me until the end of this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can check out my Math Olympiad playlist to see how I solve other algebraic exponential equations. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And until then, take care.